Number 1. 1998 Chevrolet 2500. Price $8,000. This is a well-maintained and powerful pickup with 148,500 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with a robust 454 big block engine and an automatic transmission, delivering impressive performance. The exterior is finished in a striking red color, while the interior features a clean tan finish. This truck also comes with a B&W flip-over fifth wheel, making it an excellent choice for towing and heavy-duty use. Mechanically, the truck is in great shape with no known issues, running strong and reliably. The body is mostly clean, with only minor rust behind both front wheel wells. Aside from that, it has been well cared for and remains a solid example of a late 90s heavy-duty Chevy. Number 2. 1988 Ford F150. Price $8,000. This is a well-preserved classic with only 96,000 miles and minimal rust. It has a red exterior, a matching red interior, and an automatic transmission. The truck runs great, though it does have some leaks of unknown origin. It retains all its original parts, which are included but not currently installed. This includes the factory rims, floor mats, radio, tail and headlights, running boards, and exhaust system. Currently, the truck does not have an exhaust installed, but it comes with catalytic converters and the original exhaust setup. Powered by a reliable gasoline engine, this F-150 is a solid foundation for restoration or customization while remaining in good running condition. Number 3. 1986 GMC Sierra 1500. Price $7,500. It has 100,000 miles on the odometer and features a black exterior with a black interior. Powered by a strong engine, it includes an Edelbrock carburetor, new Flowtech headers, and a Dynamax dual exhaust system. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs and wires, and it is equipped with an Intellitronics digital gauge cluster, LED headlights, and turn markers. The truck has been slightly lowered by a previous owner and comes with 2 new front tires, while the rear tires are still in good condition. It runs, drives, and stops well, but does have some imperfections. The hood has minor hail dents, and there is some Bondo cracking on the tailgate. There are a few rust spots throughout, but overall, the truck remains fairly solid. The interior features a black seat cover, and despite its age, it still has plenty of life left. Number 4. 1988 Chevrolet 1500. Price $7,900. Runs and drives great. It is powered by a reliable 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance. The odometer reads 24,000 miles, though the actual mileage is uncertain. Featuring a striking red exterior and matching red interior, this truck retains its original charm. It is equipped with power windows and locks, offering added convenience. The tires have excellent tread, and a newer battery has been installed, ensuring reliable operation. Purchased from the original owner, this Chevy 1500 has been kept in very good shape, with everything in proper working order. The body is solid, and the truck has been well cared for over the years. Whether as a dependable daily driver or a classic project truck, it has plenty of potential. Number 5. 1980 Dodge D150. Price $9,000. This is a reliable classic truck with 100,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a slant 6 engine paired with a 4-speed transmission, starting, running, and driving excellently. The exterior is finished in blue, and it currently serves as a daily driver, capable of handling long trips with ease. The truck is equipped with new vision wheels and nearly new tires with 95% tread. It has a 1974 grille installed but also comes with the original 1980 grille in good condition. With its strong performance and well-maintained components, this Dodge D150 is a great option for anyone looking for a dependable vintage pickup. Number 6. 1995 Chevrolet 1500. Price $5,000. Equipped with a 5.3 LLS swap, paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission and a brand new TPI wiring harness. It runs and drives well, remaining mechanically solid with many newer components. The drivetrain is mostly stock, aside from long tube headers and other bolt-on upgrades, enhancing both performance and sound. The odometer shows 135,000 miles, and the truck is powered by gasoline. While the body and interior could use some attention, the truck is not overly rusted and remains mostly complete. It will also come with some miscellaneous parts, making it a great project truck with solid potential. The exterior is finished in red, giving it a bold, classic look. With a clean title in hand, this truck is ready for its next owner to restore or modify further. Number 7. 1971 Chevrolet 1500. Price $8,000. With 78,000 miles on the odometer. It features a factory AC cab, making it a rare and desirable classic. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong-running 350 V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck comes equipped with front disc brakes for reliable stopping power, power steering for easy handling, and manual brakes. It has been lowered 3 inches, giving it a sleek stance, and sits on classic rally wheels with good tires. A dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers enhances its sound and performance, making it a joy to drive. While this Chevy runs and drives great, the rocker panels and cab corners have been patched and will need to be properly redone for a full restoration. The floor has also been patched, but the overall structure of the truck remains solid. This is a great opportunity to own a classic C10 with plenty of potential, whether as a daily driver or a restoration project. Number 8. 1972 Ford F350. Price $10,000. Features an automatic transmission and a gold exterior, maintaining its original factory paint and patina. It comes with a clean Kansas title and has been fitted with factory 85 suspension and running gear. Under the hood, it houses a 6.9 LIDI diesel engine that runs well. The four-wheel drive is fully functional, and the truck can start, run, drive, shift, and stop. However, while the brakes do work, they are very soft, making the truck unsafe for road use until addressed. Although it has been driven up and down the street, it will need to be trailered or shipped to its next destination. The truck can start and drive onto a trailer without issue. The current owner purchased it a year ago with plans to complete the build and turn it into a solid driver, but the swap was done prior to their ownership. Number 9. 1986 Chevrolet 3500. Price $5,000. With 133,000 miles, a 454 engine, turbo 400 transmission, and 4.10 rear gears. The blue exterior and interior maintain a classic look, and the truck runs on gasoline after a previous propane conversion. It features an Edelbrock dual-plane intake, headers, a quadrajet carburetor, and a new fuel pump and filter. The AC and cruise control are present but non-functional. Recent upgrades include rectangular port heads, new valve seats, heater hoses, a radiator cap, a thermostat, a clutch fan, and tires replaced about 1,500 miles ago. The truck runs and drives well, with a new starter and battery cables. An additional pillar gauge monitors oil pressure and temperature. However, the dash cluster is non-functional due to corrosion, and the windows do not work. Number 10. 1996 Ford F150. Price $6,100. It has been a dependable and well-maintained truck, serving its current owners faithfully for years. They are only selling it to purchase a smaller car for their daughter heading off to school. Powered by a strong 5.0L V8 engine with just over 200,000 miles, this truck remains in great shape and has plenty of life left. It has undergone regular maintenance, ensuring reliability and longevity for its next owner. The exterior and interior have been well cared for, maintaining the truck's classic appeal. It runs and drives smoothly, making it a great choice for a dependable daily driver, a work truck, or even a restoration project. With its durable build and proven performance, this F-150 is ready for many more miles on the road.